Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to add image labeling feature to our project. So to do that, let's go and add the MLKit library of it. We'll start by adding image labeling version number, and down here I'm going to add the library of it. Let's go to the build.gradle and add this implementation here. First thing, we go directly to the file storage to add the filter stuff. Let's add the key here. Let's add the value to the configs data class, and of course for the load function, and same for the save function. Now let's go to the filters UI state, add the state of image labeling here. When we reload it, we want to update it down here. And it's time to add it as a menu item inside filter dialog like this. And for the image labeling is equal to state.image_labeling. Now let's add the class of processor here. As usual, there's an apply function that is going to use the labeler and process the image, and then add some text on top of the image that you'll see in a short that can guess the stuff in the image. So let's go inside the VideoFrame pipeline, add a new image labeling object here for the data class here, and for the condition I'm gonna add it after blur background, and of course making sure that we close the instance of it to avoid any sort of memory leak. Now let's go inside the WebRTC factory, add the image labeling state here, and let's go inside reload, and of course the parameter to the enabled class. And now pretty simple like that. Let's run our application and check if image labeling is working now. Okay, let's press the call. Let's open the camera. Let's disable previous filter and add image labeling. As you can see, it's tracking my hairs to 98%. Of course, I have lots of hairs. And if I smile, you can see it's changed. Let's see if I can trace my microphone. Yeah, it's saying there's a singer. And that's how you use image labeling inside your project. So till the next video, see you everyone.